In this video, I'm going to try running Claude code with Ollama using a local large language model. And I'm going to check how it will perform on my Copilot PC, which has a Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus processor, 16 gig RAM, and 40 TOPS NPU. First of all, you need to make sure that you have both Ollama and Claude Code installed on your PC. So for Ollama, just go to the official Ollama download page and then download the installer based on your operating system. In same way, for Claude Code, just go to its official documentation page and then look for the terminal and then follow the installation instruction based on your operating system. I won't go into details about the installation because there are already a lot of tutorials out there teaching you how to do that. Since I have both Ollama and Claude Code installed on my PC, let's proceed with the next step. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have at least one local model installed on your PC. If you don't have one yet, you just have to install a local AI model using this command, Ollama pool, and then the model name. In my case, I already have one local AI model installed on my PC. It's the Qwen 3.54b, and I'm going to use that for this demo. And in order to launch Claude via Ollama using a local large language model, you have to run this command. So Ollama launch Claude -- model, and then the local AI model that you're going to use. Okay, so it has now launched an instance of Claude Code on my PC. And as you can see here, it's using Qwen 3.54b because that's the one that I pass as parameter to this command. So let's try based on the code defined in can you tell me what the app does? Honestly, I'm not really confident that this will run smoothly on my PC. I'm not sure if Ollama will use my laptop's NPU when processing this AI request, or whether this AI model that I downloaded is optimized for my computer's hardware specs. But yeah, let's see how it will go. So I have to cut the video because it took 7 minutes for it to analyze a single HTML file with only few lines of codes. So for me, that is quite slow, probably because when I verified on my task manager, it's not using my laptop's NPU, and I'm also not that happy with the response that I get. So the lesson in this If you're going to use Claude Code with a local large language model, manage your expectation because the result won't be as great as when you use Claude Code with an actual Claude model like Claude Sonnet or Claude Opus. So it's up to you if you want to prioritize saving money over productivity. But for me, I rather chose the latter so that I could make more apps in small amount of time. So that's all for this video and hope you learned something from it. Bye!